Introduction to HTML Redirect. HTML Redirect is a technique used to send a user from one web page to another automatically, commonly used when a web page has been moved to a new location. Redirects can be implemented via meta tags or JavaScript in HTML5. Meta refresh redirect. Simplest method for implementing an HTML redirect. Involves inserting a meta tag within the head section of the HTML page. Not recommended for permanent redirects, as it's not very search engine friendly. JavaScript redirect, more robust solution involving the use of JavaScript to create a redirect. Doesn't rely on the refresh function of the browser. Won't work if JavaScript is disabled on the user's browser. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Inadvertent looping. Avoid creating a redirect loop by double-checking your redirects. SEO issues. Meta refresh method is not SEO friendly. Consider using a server-side 301 redirect instead. JavaScript disabled. If using a JavaScript redirect, include a manual link as a backup. Tips and tricks for HTML redirects. Provide a manual link. Ensures users can still reach the destination if the redirect fails. Use relative URLs. Makes your code more robust, especially if the domain name changes in the future. Test thoroughly. Check on different browsers and devices, and test with JavaScript disabled. The conclusion, HTML5 redirects offer a way to guide users to a new web page automatically, require careful handling to avoid common pitfalls. Understanding how these redirects work and following the tips can ensure seamless navigation experiences.